Hey guys, it's Lexi, and sorry I haven't been on for a few months now. We just got a Great Pyrenees mixed with a Maremma puppy, and as you may know, they're very crazy. So it's been really hectic, but if you wanted to see her, she does have an Instagram, and it's right here, Kaya_the_Great_Pyrenees. I should have added crazy somewhere in there, because that's all her personality. So yeah, add her, and you'll get to see her. So, this is the June 2018 Sephora Play box, and I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's in there. First is the card. It's a paper. And the theme is Summer Nights, so that's really pretty. It makes me want to go to the fair. And this is the bag, and it's hot, hot, hot. This is a really cute bag, and it's like neon colors. It also kind of matches 4th of July, like firework, even though that's next month. So, first is by Clinique, and it's makeup remover. So this is it. It's pretty good size. So, yeah. Next is by Living Proof, and it's a Nourishing styling cream, and there's no frizz. So it's also known as a styling cream. I can't explain the smell. I like the smell though. Smells like summer. So next is the fragrance that we get every time. It's by Maison Margiela, and it's originally Music Festival. And it's a spicy, it's almost, let me get it out so you can see the size. So this is it. And what it is it's supposed to be a spicy, warm fragrance. I like that smell. It's really strong, so you don't have to use too much, but it really stands out. It's like dripping. Don't hold it too close. And then by Definicils, and it's a mascara. Or, wait, it's by Lancome. But, anyway. So, this is it. And it's a black / mirror. I know how to speak. But this is it. And then next is by Tatcha. And it's a silk canvas. Let's get this out. Okay, for a second I thought that was tape. And it's a lightweight primer. It's this big. It's pretty small, but let's see the inside. I like the packaging though. Like, I like this part. It's still the neon. So this is it. It's a really cute pink, really light, and I'm going to really use this a lot. It's going to look really good in summer heat. And then, finally, is by Melted Matte Too Faced. And it's it's by Too Faced. And it's Melted Matte. So this is it. Whoa, that came out in a big glob. Okay. This is the color. So I'm just gonna rub it in. Whoa, okay. So it's like a paint almost. So I really like that color. That was the theme. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. click the bell, subscribe, and leave in the captions what I should do for the next video. See you next time. Bye!